Ballo! Today we are gonna be millionaires! Isn't that like so good?
Baloo!
Yes, boss!
Bird brains! Throw on those special goggles and get ready at once!
Huh? What's that?
Lord Boga, we got all the money and it belongs only to us now! Huh?
Well done, bird brains! Very soon, I'm gonna put the entire town to sleep and then clean their pockets out. And then I'll turn Mirchi Nagar into Beggar Nagar! After that, Lord Boga will be king of Mirchi Nagar. Money, money, money!
Yo, my Ballo dude! Once we get past that Mirchi Nagar checkpost, then nothing and no one's gonna stop us, huh?
Baloo!
Oi hoy! Kallu and Ballu! Looks like you guys didn't get enough of the jail air. You're out real quick? Wanna taste my punch?
Never mind us, Madam Cop.
Inspector Kavya.
Never mind us, Inspector Kavya. But where's that champ of yours, Karate, the Kung Fu cop? Eh?
Constable Karate!
Ay! Karate cop give you a karate chop! Yeah, you
Step on the gas, Ballo!
Baloo!
Hey, wait! Where do you think you're going? Oh, no, blabbering bulldogs! What's going on here? Hey, I said wait! Little Shinga! Little Shinga! Little Shinga!
Who is this little brat? Get rid of him, Ballo!
Cop and lion rolled in one. Watch out for me, I'm Little Singha! Huh? आता माझी सटकली Check this out, friends. This is what you call the coconut shake, shake, shake.
Lord Boga won't let you get away with this.
Lord Boga? Huh? Chicky? Here you go. Put these goggles on. Chicky, are you alright? And where have Kavya and Karate disappeared? Those goons stole all the money from the truck and got away. What? And Kavya and Karate as well? There's definitely something fishy going on with these goggles. Now only Bubbly will be able to figure out their secret. Oh no, what was the password? Huh? Oh yeah! Newton's chutney!
Funny! Little Singham, how dare you act like superhero? Am I right?
Huh? Bubbly, quit the wisecracks. I'm here on a very important mission.
Oh, all right then. Tell me, what great mystery you have brought for Bubbly the Great to solve?
Newton's chutney! These goggles are so amazing! These goggles are made from Gaga green crystals!
Gaga green crystal, one that is found only in the caves of Arabian Sea. That means whoever wears these goggles has a high frequency shield around them.
Huh? But how can we break the shield?
To break this high frequency shield, we need a super high frequency sound.
Newton's chutney!
Oh, enough. I get it, sillies. I get it, Bubbly.
Madam, what are we doing in a TV showroom? Don't mind me asking, huh?
This ain't no TV showroom. This is Lord Boga's den.
Hey, I don't care if you're Boga or Bogie. Why have you tied us up? Let us go. You'll get a taste of my punch.
Relax, Inspector Kavya. In a short while from now, Lord Boga is going to put up a fabulous show for you.
Are you making plans to loot all the banks in this town?
Ha! This is only the beginning. After the banks, it will be the jewelry shops, shopping malls, business parks. I'll loot all of them. Money, money.
Lord Bogie,
Not Bogie, Boga.
I got just 2 words for you. Little Singham.
Oh, so my target seems to be walking right into my hands.
Ah, here comes India's youngest super cop. Hiya!
Bird brains! Everyone up on the roof! Y'all couldn't even catch a tiny little brat!
Kavya, Karate, are you two all right?
Hey, all okay, sir. I risked my life to save Madam Cop. Don't mind me saying.
Karate. Little Singham, there's only one stun gun left. We'll have to break that too before Lord Boga launches an attack on the entire city.
Don't worry, Kavya. I've thought of a plan.
Whoa! Huh? You dare to aim my stun gun rays at me? Ready for a surprise? Now no one can save you, little Singham. Money, money, money!
आता माझी सटकली.
बड़ी पुलिस की शेर कदम, लिटिल है पर नहीं किसी से कम. फटाक सटाक मारे पंजा अटैक, कर देगा ये सारा क्राइम खत्म.
Lions roar! Oh! There goes my last gun as well! Somebody help! Oh!
Ninja attack!
Money!
Well done, Little Singham. You and your brave team have saved Mirchi Nagar and brought fame to the Mirchi Bazaar police station. Very well done. Good.
Sir, I was only doing my duty.
Little Singham! Boga will be back!
And I will enjoy beating you up again. There was once a lord who thought he was cool, but along came the lion who showed him who ruled. Boom, boom, bang!
Wow, your punchlines are deadlier than your punches!